Today, we're taking a somber look at some of the most devastating fires our island has faced over the years. It's not an easy topic, but it's important we remember these events and learn from them. Did you know that between 2008 and 2018, about 300 people lost their lives in fires across Jamaica? And in just 3 years, from 2020 to 2023, we lost 138 more. It's heartbreaking, and unfortunately, many of those who died were children left at home, often in the care of older siblings. Let's start way back in 1875 with the Kingston Fire. It all began in a store on Harbour Street and Water Lane. The flames spread quickly, destroying 400 houses. Surprisingly, reports say only one life was lost, a gentleman whose name we don't know. But the most infamous fire in our history came after the massive earthquake on January 14, 1907. Imagine this. Just 10 minutes after the ground stopped shaking, fires broke out all over Kingston. It was chaos. Flames raged for 3 hours before anyone could even try to stop them. One of the saddest parts? The military hospital caught fire, and 40 soldiers couldn't be saved in time. All told, about 800 people died in the quake and fire combined. It changed Kingston forever. Now, let's jump to more recent times. In 1980, we had the terrible Eventide home fire. This place for the elderly in Kingston was overcrowded and poorly maintained. People even called it a tinderbox. When fire broke out on May 20th, 157 people lost their lives. It was a wake-up call about the importance of fire safety in our care homes. Sadly, some of our worst fires have claimed the lives of children. In July 2014, 3 children died in a house fire in Westmorland. Brittany, Beyonce, and their cousin Xavier were found in a bathroom. It seems they were trying to escape the smoke. Just a few years later, in January 2018, we lost 2 teenage girls, Ornika and Anna Kay, in a fire at Walker's Place of Safety in Kingston. That same month, another tragedy struck in Cockburn Gardens. 3 little ones, twin babies and a 3-year-old, died when a candle started a fire while they were being watched by older children. More recently, in September 2022, 3 more children died in Springfield, Westmorland. It was the night before school was supposed to start, and their dad had just posted pictures of their new uniforms on social media. A candle during a power outage likely caused that fire. And just last year, in September 2023, we lost a father and his 3-year-old son in Portmore Gardens. The dad, Sherman, tried so hard to save his little boy, Cleon, but both of them sadly passed away. These stories are tough to hear, but they remind us how important fire safety is. We need to be extra careful with candles during power outages, make sure our homes have working smoke detectors, and never leave young children alone or in the care of other children. But it's not just about homes. Workplace fires can be just as devastating. Remember, the Eventide home fire we talked about earlier? That was a workplace for many and a home for the elderly. We need to be vigilant everywhere. Think about your daily routine. At home, do you unplug appliances when not in use? In the office? Are emergency exits clearly marked and accessible? If you work in a shop or restaurant, are fire extinguishers readily available, and do you know how to use them? It's also crucial to have an escape plan, whether at home or work. Practice it regularly with your family or colleagues. Know at least 2 ways out of every room. In a fire, every second counts, and being prepared can save lives. Let's talk about electrical safety too. Overloaded outlets are a common fire hazard. Use power strips with circuit breakers and avoid running cords under carpets or furniture. If you smell something burning or see sparks, don't ignore it. Investigate immediately or call for help. Jamaica, we've seen too many tragedies, but we can prevent future ones if we all work together. Let's make fire safety a priority in every aspect of our lives, at home, at work, and in our communities. Remember, a little caution goes a long way. If you have smoke alarms, check them regularly. Be careful with candles and open flames. Teach your children about fire safety from an early age. And always, always have an escape plan. Let's honor the memory of those we've lost by doing everything we can to prevent future tragedies. Whether you're at home, at work, or anywhere else, stay alert and stay safe. Together, we can build a safer Jamaica for all of us. Thank you for watching, and please share this video to spread awareness about fire safety. Every life saved is a victory. Take care, Jamaica, and look out for each other. Before you leave, I have one small favor to ask. Could you please subscribe to our channel Impacting Jamaica? Your support means the world to us.